Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share Instagram link on Snapchat story, and now let's dive right in. Now guys, in order to first share the Instagram link on your Snapchat story, let's copy the Instagram link. To do that, let's tap on the Instagram app and let's go to our profile to copy the link. To do that guys, from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on there, and again over here you can see the share profile at the right side of the screen. On the middle section of your screen, tap on share profile, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the copy link. At the bottom you can see guys, there are the three options. Tap on copy link and a link will be copied. Now let's go back to our Snapchat. Let's open up a Snapchat and let's take a story. I'll be just taking this dark picture guys, so let's click it and a story has been made. Now in order to enter our link, you can see there is the attachment icon at the right side of the screen, the third last one guys, just above the crop icon. Tap on that attachment icon and over here paste your URL, and after pasting it guys, you will be required to search for it. To do that guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see the search icon. Tap on it and you can see guys, or you can see the add attached to snap icon available at the bottom of the screen. Tap on attach to snap and you can see guys, the Instagram link is available on our Snapchat. And there guys, this is how you can add Instagram link on Snapchat story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.